Hello guys, today I'm going to cook broken glass or window cathedral. Here are our ingredients. First, we have different colors of jelly. This is unflavored jelly. This is all about 4 cups all in all. The green, the red, the orange. And now we have 1 glass of water, 4 tablespoons of sugar, Knox gelatin. We have Nestle cream or purple, pineapple juice, can of condensed carnation, evaporated milk. Let's start with our to put 1 glass of water, pouring our 1 gelatin Knox. 3, 4. So we are going to mix it until it is dissolved. The pineapple juice. So na lahat guys. Yung gelatin. Next, ilagay natin ang ating mix together. Mix our all-purpose cream. Mix it thoroughly until it is dissolved. Evaporated distilled milk. Mix again guys. Then isusunod na natin ngayon guys yung ating 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Ito guys. White sugar. Or castor sugar. Next one guys, until the sugar dissolve, then turn off the stove or the flame. Since dissolve na yung sugar natin guys, so i-turn off muna natin yung ating stove. So we are going to wait for this mixture to cool down, and then after it is cooling down, we are going to put this to the fridge, and then I will show you when I'm going to mix the jelly after then. Okay? See ya! Hi guys, it's about time to mix our jelly with our cream. Actually, it is too set, but it's alright. It will be fine. This is our mixture now. Now I'm going to transfer to our rolling pan. As in the please thumbs up and likes. Bye. Thumbs up and likes.